In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Apple ID. Okay, at first, open your setting and click on sign into your iPhone and click on don't have an Apple ID. Now quickly fill these details and now click on don't have email address. Get an iCloud email address and now create your iCloud, and after that click on continue and click on create email address. Okay, now enter your password and quickly verify it as well. And after putting a password, make sure to write it down on a paper so you don't forget it, and click on continue. And select your country and put your phone number. After putting your number, click on continue. And now you will receive a verification code on your number. Okay, after that click on continue and agree. Okay, and as you can see it is signing it now. Now enter your mobile phone password. And as you can see, you have successfully created your Apple ID.